I studied less for my accounting final and got an A. Here is how you can too. You study smart, not hard. Imagine studying less for your accounting exam, but still getting an A. Does this not sound crazy? Yeah, I thought so too. Until I tried this simple strategy that changed everything. A few weeks before my accounting final, I was really stressed. Everyone around me was as well. They were studying 8 hours plus a day, memorizing everything, burning out. And honestly, I tried that too, but nothing was sticking. The more I studied, the more confused I got. That's when I realized something shocking. Accounting is not about studying more, it's about studying smart. Instead of reading everything again, I changed my strategy completely. Here is what I did differently. Strategy 1, I focused on understanding, not memorizing. Most students try to cram formulas, but accounting is like a story. When money comes from, where it goes, what remains, which is profit, is just like a story. So once I understood this, everything became easier for me. So let's look at strategy 2. That is mastering the income statement. For example, let's use mastering income statement for example. So I focused on just one thing. When we are talking about income statements, revenue less expenses equal profit. So that single formula helped me understand that there is trial balance, income statement, financial performance. Instead of studying everything, I mastered the basics. It's very important you master the basics. Let's look at strategy 3. You practice like it's a game. Practice like it's a game. I stop perceived reading. Perceived reading, for instance, you look at the question, you look at the answer, you look at the question, you look at the answer. It doesn't help. Instead, I practice past questions, I timed myself, I made mistakes and learned fast. So this made me confident before the exams. Strategy again that you can look at, strategy 4, you use active recall. This is the secret. Instead of reading notes, I asked myself, since we are looking at revenue, what is revenue? How do I calculate profits? What comes after gross profit? These are the kind of questions I ask myself. So if I couldn't answer, I review. This method make me remember everything faster. So exam day, which is the climax of the story, when I got to the exam hall, I wasn't nervous. I gained a lot of confidence because I have practiced in advance. I have solved a lot of questions. I know my basics. So I wasn't nervous because I did not just study. I understood the concepts, and when the results came out, I got an A. I got an A because I followed these 4 strategies. So the takeaway for you is, if you are struggling with accounting, remember this: don't study harder, study smarter. Focus on understanding, practice, simplicity. These are the key things that you need to know. You have to focus on understanding, practice consistently, and keep it simple. Keep it simple. So if this video help you, hit the subscribe for more simple accounting lesson, and comment below what topic you are struggling with. I will help you understand it easily. Thank you very much for watching this video from the beginning to the end. See you in the next video. Remember to practice, and remember to study smart, not hard. See you in the next video. Bye for now.